Want to know how to zoom into your timeline in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do so in just a few steps. So let's get right into it. So right here we have our audio. So to zoom in or to zoom in on its timeline, you can just simply click right here. Right here is the zoom in and zoom out button. Just simply press this to zoom into your timeline. Right? It's as easy as that. Here you can also see shortcuts, that is Ctrl+1. You can simply press that as well to easily zoom in like this, and zoom out, press Ctrl+3. Another shortcut you can use is press Ctrl and scroll up all together at the same time. See, this will easily zoom into your timeline. It's as easy as that. Same thing for zoom out. Just press Ctrl and scroll downwards. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.